Good morning, students. Let us discuss about composition of nucleus. Okay. You see, atoms have a nucleus surrounded by electrons. Nucleus contain proton and neutrons. The nucleus surrounded by proton. Nucleus surrounded by proton. The nucleus contain proton and neutrons. How to we are telling means the proton plus neutron we have to tell that nucleus. Okay. The neutrons are electrically neutral. The neutrons are electrically neutral. So the electrical charge equivalent to 0. That is a Q equivalent to 0. And protons have positive charge. So we have to denote it by Q equivalent to plus E. Equal this in the positive equal in the magnitude to the charge of the electron. So we denoted by Q equivalent to minus E. The number of protons in the nucleus is called the atomic number. Which ones we are telling atomic number? The number of proton in the nucleus. Okay, number of protons in the nucleus. That is we are called to atomic number. And it's denoted by Z, capital Z. The number of neutron in the nucleus is called neutron numbers. Number of neutron in the nucleus. So we said to be neutron numbers. So denoted by capital N. The total number of neutrons and protons in the nucleus is called the mass number. The total number, neutrons plus protons, it's called the mass number. Okay, total number of neutrons and plus protons, they both are telling to the mass number. Okay, so it's denoted by the A. So mass number denoted by the A. Hence, we have to telling that A equal to Z plus capital N. Next, you see the two constituents of nucleus, namely neutron and protons, are collectively called nucleons. Okay, what we are telling? Nucleons. The mass of the proton value. The mass of the proton constant value is 1.6726 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg, which is roughly 1836 times the mass of the electron. So proton electrons mass of the electrons. Okay, the mass of the neutron is slightly greater than the mass of the proton. Neutrons slightly greater than the neutron slightly greater than the proton. So how much that neutron? 1.6749 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kilogram. To specify the nucleus of the any elements, we use the following general notation. So general notation X, that the chemical name. Okay, Z and A. Okay. Yeah, atomic number, that is A is a mass number. Okay. Okay, next you see that next you see the nitrogen nucleus is represented by the N 7 to 15. Okay, so atomic number is 7, mass number is 15. It is implies that nitrogen contains 15 nucleons, of which 7 are protons and 8 are neutrons. So both here calculate how much come? 15 come, right? 7 plus 8 come to that 15. So that is a mass number, right? Note that the ones elements it's specified. The value of Z is known and subscript Z is sometimes omitted. So some chemical elements they omitted to the Z. Okay, for example, nitrogen nucleus is simply denoted as 15 N15. atomic number only. Okay, we call it is as a nitrogen 15. So we call the nitrogen 15. Since the nucleus is made up of the positively charged protons and electrically neutral neutrons, the overall charges of the nucleus are positive and it has a value of Z plus Ze, but the atomic is electrically neutral, which implies that the number of electrons in the atom is equal to the number of protons in the nucleus. Okay, so next you see isotopes, isobars and isotones. Isotones. What is the isotopes? There are atoms of a particular element whose the nuclei, not a nucleus, nuclei have same number of proton and different number of neutron. Same number of proton, different number of neutron. These said to be called isotopes. We said to be isotopes. We said to be isotopes. In other words, isotopes are atoms of the same elements having same atomic number but different mass number. For example, hydrogen has 3 isotopes and they are represented as H hydrogen 1, deuterium H 2, tritanium H 3. So note that all is the 3 nuclei have 1 proton and 1 protons, and hydrogen has no neutron, deuterium has 1 neutron, tritanium has 2 neutrons. Okay, the number of isotopes of the particular elements and their relative abundance, that means percentage, vary with each element. For example, carbon has 4 main isotopes, C611, C612, C13 and C14, but in the nature percentage of C612 is approximately 98.9%. That of C613 is 1.1%, C614 is 0.0001%. The other carbon isotope 6 to 11 do not occur naturally and it can be produced. Okay, only in the nuclei reaction in the laboratory or by cosmic rays. The chemical properties of the any atom are determined only by electrons. The chemical properties of any atom are determined only by electrons. The isotopes of any elements have same electronic structure and same chemical property. So the isotopes of the same element and placed in the same location in the periodic table. Okay, so next you see that isobars. What is the isobars? The isobars are the atoms of the different elements having the same mass number A but different atomic number. So the isotopes is a ulta change in the isobars, right? In other words, isobars are the atoms of different chemical elements which has same number of nucleon. For example, S16 40, chlorine 17 14, organic 15 18 40, and then K 19 40, 20 40, Ca 20 40 are isobars having the same mass number 40 and the different atomic number. So unlike isotopes, isobars are chemically different element. They have different physical and chemical properties. Okay, I hope you are understood. So next one you see isotones. Isotones are the atom of different elements having the same number of neutrons. So B512 and BC613 are example of isotones with 7 neutron. Okay. So next you see atomic and nuclear masses. The mass of the nuclei is very small when it exposed in the SI unit. So it's a very small, means you see 10 to the power of minus 25 kilogram or less. Therefore, it is more convenient to express it in the terms of another unit, namely. So, the atomic mass unit denoted by U. One atomic mass unit is defined as 1/12 of the mass of the isotopes of the carbon C612, the most abundant naturally occurring isotopes of carbon. So in the other words, you see one atomic mass unit equal to mass of carbon 612 atom divided by 12. So its a constant value is 1.9926 into 10 to the power of minus 26 by 12. So you cancel, means you are get the value 1, you get the value 1 atomic mass unit equal to 1.660 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. So next you see that in the terms of atomic mass unit, the mass of neutron 1.0086 is 5U. The mass of proton 1.007276 U. The mass of hydrogen atom 1.007625 U. And the mass of carbon C612 equal to 12 U. Note that the usually mass specified is the same of mass of the atoms, not mass of the nucleus. To get the nuclear mass of the particular nucleus, to the mass of electron has to be subtracted from the corresponding atomic mass. Experimentally, the atomic mass is determined by the instrument called the Bainbridge mass spectrometer. So experimentally we have to prove that a Bainbridge mass spectrometer. If we determine the atomic mass of the element without considering the effect of isotopes, we get the mass average over different isotopes weighted by their abundances. Thank you, children.